Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today's video guys. I'm going to reaction again to Putri Aryani. This is that one our favorite guys. You know already this Putri Aryani. I like her. Really I like her, and also really I like the voice of her. She's always touched my heart. You know that last time. I think it's not only once, it's two times. A lot, you know. Because, you know, if you're listening that voice of her, the way she's singing, oh my God, ulala. You always saying, ulala, bravo. Mamma mia. Alright guys, by the way guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below guys. If you have any suggestion about of Putri Aryani, don't be shy to comment below. And if you want another artist, just let me know and then I will try to reaction. Alright guys, by the way, the title of the song is Queen. I don't know how to pronounce. Bohemian Rhapsody, Queen, Putri Aryani cover, sorry. Alright guys, there is 74k likes, and also there is 3,000.3 million views guys, 3 years ago. My God, ulala. There is 3,353 comments guys. Alright guys, by the way, stay tuned. Just correct me if I'm wrong. And then we will listening that music. Alright guys, I think it's good. This is person that I reaction. That cover from her. Alright, stay tuned and play. She's always Angel, the voice, you know. Like you know, the song na 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 na. I think. Let's see. Mama, iba yan? Just kill a man. Put a gun against his head. Oh, talagang bata na to. It's so nice. Mama. Life has just begun. But now I'm gonna throw it all away. Wow, ang galing niya, guys. Mama. See? Didn't mean to make you cry. She's always touched my heart. Again, I feel goosebumps. Carry on. Wow. I thought, see. My life has done. Saint Shiva's down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Galing niya. Mama. My mama. She's my only one queen. So cute. She's always touched my heart. She makes me always make me cry. Just gotta get out. Just gotta get right out of here. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Wow.
Nothing really matters to me.
Wow, ang galing niya talaga. Promise. Bravo, bravo. Putri Ariani. Really, 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 guys. Putri Ariani. If she is the one singing the any kind of music, wallahi, she's always touch the heart everyone, you know. Because the way she's singing, it's good. Like, you know, even she's blind, she's really, really talented woman. See, imagine, I think even I, I have a lot of reaction of her, but it's different music. But if you can see, my God, she's amazing woman. Then she have a amazing voice. You know the way, you know, is also she's good how to play piano, right? I saw already she have already a lot of guests to another country. That's why, you know, hopefully I can make reaction to her to continue. Even sometimes, you know, guys, I'm little bit busy, but I just try to give reaction to everyone. Every day I just continue, even even two reaction in one day. I just try, guys. I just try to everyone, to also to all that requests. But you know, sometimes I have a lot of comment, and then one by one, you know, I reply. Of course, I need to reply to everyone, guys. All right. By the way, guys, we will give rank for her. Of course, I will give 10 because I like her. Really, really, she's always touched my heart all the time because she have a nice voice, and also, you know, imagine, she is a powerful woman. She's still strong, and then even she is like this, that what did you call that, that situation like this, but see, she's still strong, and then she's still continue that life, right? Because, you know, she's a gifted, you know. It's not a perfect to everyone, like, you know, like me. um I I know how to sing, but it's not like that, right? I know how to react only, guys. All right, guys. Hopefully, I can make reaction to her all the time. And then, thank you so much to all Indonesian. And also, I always telling to everyone, terima kasih, and also, salamat datang to everyone. Alright, alright. And also, guys, what that kind of words is, aku cinta Indonesia. There is one more. Aku sayang Indonesia. Alright, guys. Hopefully you like my accent, the way I speak Indonesian. Even I starting learn how to speak Indonesian, but inshallah. Alright, guys. Thank you so much to everyone. But if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Okay, and see you my next reaction for her. I hope you can comment below, and then I can check if I can reaction. Alright, guys, and please give me music, because sometimes I just also searching what they want, because, you know, there is a lot of comment I need to read, but sometimes can you put also link? Hope you don't mind, all guys. Because sometimes, you know, I couldn't find what they are talking. Alright, guys, thank you so much, and bye bye, and masalama.